What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Now, I already unboxed what I'm about to show you, but you won't get the gist of the picture. So anyway, I decided to go ahead and get these. This is more birthday shit I unboxed. More birthday shit I bought myself. So yeah. Victoria's Secret's Wicked. Okay, I got the big bottle and then I also got the smaller bottle. I bought them both again. This is my old one. As you can see, a little bit comes out, but it's done for. It was time for a new one. So I did go ahead and get the big bottle and the smaller bottle. Y'all, this is literally my signature scent. I have the lotion, the fine lotion in this as well. And I also have the fine fragrance mist in this as well. So I got the body spray, the lotion, and the big bottle and the smaller bottle. And I also have another smaller bottle in my little travel kit. So yeah, I have two of these. I absolutely love this scent. It smells so freaking good. When I tell you, everybody tells me this, no matter who I get in the car with, right? No matter who I get in the car with, this scent, they be like, my car smells like you, or they be like, yeah. I remember I went on a date and I like tied the dude's food up or whatever, right? And like when he went back home, he was like, when I opened that bag, the food smelled like you. Like, listen, this scent, when I get in my friends' cars and I put this on, the next day when they get in the car, they be like, what do you be wearing? Because my car smells like you. Listen, this scent obviously lingers because I absolutely love this scent, for real. No, for real, I love this scent. I heard it was discontinued, but they brought it back. I'm not really sure how true that is, but when did I buy mine? The first time I bought this scent was in January, February, something like that. The first time I discovered this scent was definitely in January. And I remember because it was cold, and I remember that day too. But yeah, I first got this scent in January, and then yeah, it's been 5 months, and this is like the only thing I've been wearing. I love this, y'all. I feel like this could definitely be a night scent. Definitely a night scent. It just smells so good. I wish I could tell y'all the notes, but I threw away the box. Y'all could look on my TikTok. I think I said the notes on there. Yeah, y'all gonna have to look on my TikTok. I'm not gonna spray it because I'm wearing my Sol de Janeiro. Y'all already know. Ooh, yes. Smells so freaking good. I love this stuff. This is my summer scent, right? But I feel like this could be a summer scent too. I'm not gonna stop wearing this. Like, I feel like this could be an all year round scent. This is my baby. I hope they don't discontinue. If they discontinue this again, I will be so heartbroken. For real, because it just smells so good. It really does. Like, if I went through this big bottle, that's how you know. Because, well, it's spraying a little bit, but for the most part, it's gone. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this scent so much. I hope they don't discontinue it. I'm definitely going to send Victoria's Secret an email like, hey, what y'all plan on doing with this scent? Because no, don't discontinue it. Like I said, I have the lotion and I also have the fine fragrance mist. The fine fragrance mist does last a minute though. So if you want to try the fine fragrance mist, you can get that one. Or if you want to get the little bottle, you can definitely get the little bottle before committing. But when I tell you, you gonna like it, you gonna like it. This is that scent that every girl is gonna like, I feel like, me personally. You like my hair? I did it myself. I got bored and I just wanted a protective style because I just wanted to wake up and go, you know what I mean? So I went ahead and did it. Real nice, real cute. And I take these out at night, the little scrunchies. But yeah, y'all, so that is it. Just me unboxing another present that I bought myself because I can and I have the money. Yeah, spoiling myself. Period. When I spoil myself, I either buy books, hygiene stuff, or perfume, which is like hygiene stuff. Yeah. I do need some outdoor wheels because I don't really like the wheels. I like the wheels on my skates, but I want some outdoor wheels because I be feeling every single bump, nook, and cranny in those skates, and I be tripping. And that's how I fall. If you don't have a scar on your knee from childhood, did you really have a good childhood? Both my knees are scarred up, baby. Yeah, but all right, y'all, so that is it for this video. That's all I wanted. I just wanted to talk to y'all and show what I got for my birthday. My birthday is June 29th. I'm turning 20 fine. Do I look 25? You could be real. You could say no, because I know I don't. I already know I don't. I know I look like a child, but that's fine. I don't mind. But yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy birthday to all of my Cancers. Okay, I absolutely love y'all. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.